Good morning, everyone, especially to our professor in MTE 506, Miss Juvie Buntilao. Good morning, ma'am. Today I will going to discuss to you the core competencies of computer system servicing under the training regulations of TESDA. Computer System Servicing NC2 Core Competency presented by yours truly, Sheila T. Bernalte. We will define first what is computer system servicing. Computer system servicing, or CSS NC2, is upgraded version of what is then called computer hardware servicing, or CHS NC2 qualification. During the late CHS, the qualification was said to be of an NC2 level, meaning that in a ranking basis, it is a baseline level. CSS NC2 core competencies. We have four core competency under computer system servicing NC2. First is install and configure computer systems. Second, set up computer networks. Third, set up computer servers. Fourth, maintain and repair computer systems and networks. The first core competency is install and configure computer systems. We have 5 learning outcomes under that core competency, and in this unit covers the outcomes required in installing and configuring desktop and workstation computer systems. We have the first learning outcome, assemble computer hardware. Second, prepare installer. Third, install operating system and drivers for peripherals/devices. Fourth, install application software. And fifth is conduct testing and documentation. And later on, I will show you one learning outcome that I will going to perform, which is install application software. The second core competency we have set up computer networks. And this unit covers the outcome required in setting up computer networks for LANs, or local area networks, and small office, home office, or SOHO systems. There are 4 learning outcomes in this core competency. We have first, install network cables. Second, set network configuration. Third, set router, Wi-Fi, wireless access point, or repeater configuration. Fourth, inspect and test the configured networks. The third core competency, we have set up computer servers. And this unit covers the knowledge, skills, and attitudes needed to set up computer servers for LANs and SOHO systems. We have 5 learning outcomes in this competency. First is assemble computer hardware. Second, prepare installer. Third, install operating systems and drivers for peripherals/devices. Install application software. Conduct testing and documentation. And the last core competency is maintain and repair computer systems and networks. And in this unit covers the knowledge, skills, and attitudes needed to maintain and service computer systems and networks. There are 5 learning outcomes in this competency. We have first, plan and prepare for maintenance and repair. Second, maintain computer systems and networks. Third, diagnose faults of computer systems and networks. Fourth, rectify, correct defects in computer systems and networks. Fifth, inspect and test the computer and system networks. So that would be all for the introduction of the core competencies under computer system servicing. Now I will going to show you how to install application software, which is one of the learning outcome and the first core competency under install and configure computer system. And one application software that I'm going to use or to install, all of those downloaded installers are all application software, but I will just choose Microsoft Office application software. For the purpose of this activity, I will just going to use the Microsoft Office 2013. So we're going to run the setup. We'll double click the setup. So do you want to allow the following program to make changes on your computer? Just click yes. So choose the installation you want. Please choose your preferred, the type of Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2013 installation below. So I will just choose install now. So while waiting for the progress, by the way, Microsoft Office is just one of the application software which is basically used by so many people, especially students, teachers, and other entrepreneur or any individual which us were commonly using the Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Access, and so on. So basically, the update for now is the Microsoft or the Office 365. However, those installer must be what you call we need to purchase, buy license for that particular installer. So of course, if you want to have an updated version of an Office, so you need to buy. So for the sake of this demonstration, I have only this what you call Microsoft Office 2013 installer. I have my license 2016. However, I left it in the computer laboratory in our school. So that's why my previous what do you call that one? That was that installer was given to me by a good friend. Waiting for the progress, let me introduce to you first also those installers software. Okay, we have Adobe Acrobat, Photoshop, CCleaner, Driver Revive, Driver Robot, MS Office. What's this new application? This a new application, the recovery, file recovery, Corel Draw Converter. Those are some of the application software, examples of application software. We have the Revo Uninstaller, the Quick PDF, and also except for this OS collection because OS is different from application. We have also that is also another learning outcome which is install operating system. Same with the first competency, install and configure computer system also. We have also what we call partition magic, portable. This one is a portable flash 8. After this installation, I will show you what is the difference between the portable installer and the normal installer that we need to install or run the setup and follow the different process or different steps. So we have ProShow Gold. ProShow Gold is used for editing, also video editing. We have RAR, password recovery for those real password recovery to recover your password also. And then real player gold, recovery all. We have this recovery all is what they call utility. This belong to utility software. Although a part of it, it is also an application, but mostly they are called utility software. That includes also those antiviruses, this these cleaning services such as CC Cleaner, tune up utilities. Those are what we call utility software. We have SketchUp, which is I have already SketchUp 2020. Why is it on 2014? Maybe I save it in the download files, not yet here. We have also USB disk, USB drive bootable, and other applications. These are all applications. You have Skype and also the Zoom, the Sony software, uTorrent, and other. Those are examples of what they call application software. So we're in the progress now. So the installation progress will be depends upon the capacity or the specifications of your computer. So the higher the specs of your computer, the better. The faster it will install in your computer. So we're now in finalizing installation. This may take a few minutes also for our installation progress. See, thank you for installing Microsoft Office. To begin, open Start and go to your Office program. So we'll just click Close. Okay. So as you can see, we will go to our All Programs. You can see the new installed Microsoft Office here. So as you can observe, when we're going to click the Microsoft Word, so we can now create our Microsoft Word documents. Okay. So that's it on how to install Microsoft Office as one of the learning outcome, which is install application software here, application software in my background. So let me also show you, oh, as what I mentioned earlier, that there are application softwares that are portable. No need for you to install those applications because they are what they called executable. Okay, so let me show you the Adobe Photoshop CS5, which is a portable one. So as when you're going to click the installer, so automatically no need for you to run a setup, just click this icon Photoshop, then automatically it will load up and show you the environment of the Photoshop. So I discovered this one because my in public school rather, um when they have what they called activity that they're going to create at home, or in the computer or in the internet cafe, there are no what they call no Adobe Photoshop. Some of the computer shops doesn't have Adobe Photoshop installed in their computer system. So that's why I need to uh, look for an option. So I found out that there are portable Adobe Photoshop, which I shared in my Google Drive, and they can access it anytime so that they can use it when they are in the internet cafe or in the computer shop. So automatically, as you're going to open the file, you can now create your project and Photoshop. We have also portable. I have also portable Flash, but this one is also Flash 8. So this one is a portable also. So automatically this application will run without any installation. You don't need to install this one. So automatically you have here. So I forgot now how to use this one actually. Just exit. So those are some of the examples of portable applications. So I hope you learned something in my demonstration. Application software is defined as any program or number of programs designed for end users. So that ends my discussion and hope that you learned something about install application software, which is under install and configure computer systems of NC2 computer systems servicing. So once again, this is Sheila T. Bernalte. Thank you so much for watching and listening. Stay safe, stay at home, God bless.